Since our National Institute for Health Research, Birmingham Biomedical Research Centre started in April 2017, we've made significant achievements and advances in translational medicine, in inflammation, and enabled the development of a highly skilled workforce that supports the development of medicines from bench to bedside. One example of this is our research into idiopathic intracranial hypertension, or IIH. This is where a buildup of brain fluid can cause debilitating headaches and blindness. Funded by a Sir Jules Thorne Award for Biomedical Research, our laboratory studies have found that a glucagon-like peptide 1 drug called exenatide reduces brain fluid production and brain pressure in preclinical models of patients with IIH. We took these results into a clinical trial in patients with IIH and demonstrated a marked reduction in brain pressure. And we've now created a spin-out company called Invex Therapeutics to develop this drug as a new therapy for this incurable brain disease. The company is currently valued at almost 30 million, and we're also working with both the Ministry of Defence and NASA to discuss the potential application of this drug in reducing brain pressure during injury and also space travel. Our BRC was also instrumental in the design and delivery of a novel phase 2 platform COVID study called Catalyst. We worked with industry to test 2 drugs, and the study data were published in The Lancet in December 2021 and indicated that the drug namilumab, when tested in hospitalized patients with COVID-19 pneumonia, reduced inflammation, resulting in fewer deaths and more discharges from hospital. What was novel about this study was that its design meant it was very efficient. Only just over 100 patients were needed to demonstrate the benefit of this drug, whilst also ruling out another potential drug. Birmingham's BRC also aims to use cutting-edge experimental medicine to accelerate access to and the adoption of drugs, devices, and diagnostic tests. The latter indeed have been showcased in multiple settings, including internationally used tests for fatty liver disease and both national and international COVID-19 test evaluations that our diagnostics and biomarkers theme have led on since the start of the pandemic. Since 2017, researchers linked to our BRC have delivered almost 950 clinical trials of novel treatments, over 50 of which were first in human or child over the last 4 years. BRC-linked researchers have published almost 15,000 papers across subject areas, which for most of our themes, we are ranked either first or in the top 5 in England. We are proud of the progress of the Birmingham BRC so far, but recognise there is so much more to do. And we're working closer with our patients and patient groups, as well as our neighbouring hospital trusts and universities, to make sure that we translate our discoveries in inflammation into new treatments for patients. I'd like to thank our staff, patients, contributors, funders, and many partners who've been involved in our journey for all of their support.